拜拜，拜拜。哦，佢過嚟幫你啊！哦
It's not，拜拜。Timo， 你好好享受呢架
女性
呢個好浪漫嘅 boat trip 啊！
好浪漫啦喎！我喺後面睇，我喺後面睇真係浪漫到嘔電㗎！
我要唱首咩歌去襯翻呢件事？
小心啊！小心啊！
拜拜 Pam。
咁
點解成日聽到 Gangnam Style？
Gangnam Style。
What does that mean?
Gangnam Style, you know the song?
我知啊。
Gangnam Style, op. 我幫你 private song。
太浪漫啦！
我真係浪漫到滿瀉喎呢個位。
啲鴨食飽要落水啦，
又去蘇打奇道啊！快啲嚟！
佢哋要降溫，
又去蘇打奇道，go！
趕佢啊！
開 Michael 應該可以。
好得意啊！我呢個唔得，我呢個 focus 到啊，攞唔到咁多。
我諗影到嘅。
我有咯，我有。
我而家咧就進入咗食嘢嘅時間啦。Snack time， 咁我哋咧就會喺度補充一下自己體力嘅。我哋都踩咗應該都有半個鐘頭嘅單車嘅。啊，唔係我哋撐船啊，好攰㗎我哋。我哋撐船好攰啊，有Gangnam Style嘅我哋。咁呢度咧就好舊式嘅士多，咁即係好多其他遊客。好啦，呢度咧就係我哋要去另一個小島嘅方法啦。兩邊都行得㗎嘛。
We go to the Yuyvan Yuyvan Island。
咁咧呢度咧就係一個農家餵緊雞。我哋咧就繼續喺度自拍啦。係。咁咧托賴今日係冇落咩嘅。先我哋以冒險嘅精神咧踩過咗呢個橋啦。但係點解我哋要企喺度咧？因為咧遠處嘅朋友咧係用行嘅方法嘅。係啊，可能舒服啲。好啦，我哋而家入咗一個越南嘅屋企入邊，原來有個工場嘅。
好強橫，有米酒啊！
呢啲就係製成品啦。
米酒啊！
咁而啲米咧就係呢度啦。點整嘅咧？究竟？有淺嘅喎，咩啊？
65% 濃度係嘛？係啊，
咁呢度發生咩事咧？哇！屙尿啊隻豬！哇！好大篤尿啊！嗱，呢啲就係豬啦，活生生嘅。
佢真係 V 到阿媽。
佢哋應該係等緊我屙。好搞笑啊！搞笑啊！豬媽媽。好啦，我哋而家嚟咗一個 local 嘅食飯之處。咁咧，今日嘅飯餸咧係主要為魚嘅，但咧就係全魚宴。 咁我哋4個嘅餐咧係一
其實一模一
樣嘅
樣。好好味嘅個樣。
係啦，我哋唔理啦，要食嘢啦，我已經餓暈啦。意外啦，就 Sammy 咧俾一隻筷子，其中一支係俾一竹筷攻擊到。好啦，解釋。
For making the mat here, you can see normally it is 2 people. The lady that is a weaver and this lady is a designer. For designer, most of the time is older people and women because they have more experience. For her, you know exactly how many strokes putting and what color. And the mat they started there. After it will be finished around here, about 2 meters long. Can you guess how long does it take to finish one mat like that? 2 meters.
I guess 2 days.
2 days.
但係佢而家咁樣咯喎。
係咯。
Normally they wear 2 mats. Some people if they do super fast, so they do 3 mats in 1 day maybe. But normally only 2 mats in 1 day.
So 3 mats for 1 day. Each mat $5.
But that's not all the profits they can get because they need to spend money for the material already. This island is really small and they don't have a place to grow, so they need to buy the straw from another island. And the way they do, you can see there's a frame and the lady just one up, one down, one up, one down all the time. And whenever she does up or down, you can see the hole in the middle. And this lady, she put the straw inside. And the job of the lady, the weaver, she tie at the end of the straw. You see, she tie at the end.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now after this straw, she come back to knot to tie on this side. So after she have to tie on this side. See like that. Because for the mat, if you don't like tie at the end like that, after finish using, all the straw come off.
好啦，我哋而家咧就上咗翻屋企嘅
嘅仔啊。
係啦，咁我呢個快艇咧就會送我哋翻去，好黑啊！送我哋翻去屋企啦。
So this way to the ocean, this way to the mountain. In the morning we started here, we cycle short distance to the riverside. From here we go on the boat. From here we just get on the boat short way, like about 5-7 minutes we come here. We meet to the first island. It's a Kam Kim Island.
Kam Kim Island.
For the first visit, very close, we see how to make the traditional wooden boat. And after we see the shell inlay on the wood, the mother of pearl inlay. Go this way, down the way here, long way, and then we stop here to see the basket boat making.
I remember.
After you try the basket boat in the river here. Come back this way.
that river.
Yeah, we cross the river by the floating bridge. Yeah. And then we come to the second island. It's named Yuiven. Yes, Yuiven. This way, very soon we see rice wine making, and then we come to the place for lunch. After lunch, we see the sleeping mat. We be in next door, and then we come back here. We walk to the boat. About 45 minutes on the boat. There's no bus here, and now you are here. So today you have just finished about 9 kilometers. Congratulations.
我哋嚟咗呢個 Old Town 咧係要入場費嘅，咁咧就要拍下，其實咧就同嗰邊冇乜分別嘅啫。係啊，呢度就係。
Dạ không cô chú.
好香喎，我聞到。好香咯。嗱，呢條就係特色日本橋。
你睇下真係幾靚喎！
係咧。
你睇幅圖先啊。
距離嚟到日本橋。咁後邊咧就有人影緊結婚相嘅，自己影。
OK。
我哋咧而家入咗呢條日本橋咧，就係好有歷史價值嘅。呢個叫咩？來源橋。咁入去睇下參觀啊！我哋
有個廟味喎。
好啦，我哋而家咧可以企喺啲客棧上面嗰個層。
好似以前嗰啲咧，嗰啲古裝戲嗰啲。
係咯，要拎住條絲巾嘅。好啦，我哋已經喺 Old Town 嘅 Market Place 喺呢度應該。 呢度睇嚟都幾貴喎啲嘢應該，啲鋪頭咧裝修靚咁多。我哋嚟咗呢一間咧品茶店，文青係啦。呢度嘅侍應咧係唔講嘢嘅。咁我哋咧有飲同埋有食嘅茶同埋餅嘅。咁呢係其中一間好似成品咁嘅地方。咁靚嘅呢一度咧，就係我哋嘅
歐茶，
係啦，哇好驚啊！呢度咧好多人力車嘅，咁應該係呃啲遊客錢嘅。
哇！你睇呢度，
呢度有呢度好 traditional 嘅燈籠啊，霓虹燈係咪應該？唔係喎 ，lantern 係咩
？lantern 燈籠，
大紅燈籠高掛。
我要講我學咗嘅知識啊，就係呢度咧嘅成個會一個城咧都係黃色咯。
即係咩啊？
因為咧，當如果政府規劃咗呢個地方咧，因為古城咧，所有嘢都會變晒黃色啦。
咁如果我哋如果喺度起間屋咧，就一定要黃色嘅，唔係咧就係揼爛嚟嘅。
但係你仲要唔賠錢啊？
我哋嚟咗一個咧好隱世嘅
大排檔，
大排檔係食串燒嘅，好似。
好正啊！點算好正啊！
哇！我哋仲要去邊啊？
Food cannot order because they have
我哋
only
而家
for
咧
you.
食飯，而家巴西燒烤啊，
Yeah, hot.
BB 招放題
係啦。
Yes.
幾多錢一個人任食話？
Okay, merci.
嘅 benefit 咧就有咖啡飲，呢間咧係賣咖啡豆同埋賣咖啡產品同埋賣沉香嘅
地方
係啦。
唔會啊？要唔要試啊？一啖
我唔要啦。而家咧就翻去
準備係啊！我有戰利品，哈哈，
係咩咧咁？
咖啡。係咪？
我喺越南買到越南係拗咗，
拗突㗎，
搞扁嘴啊！頭先老細
拗嘢，係乜叫扁嘴咩？
佢有
佢孖住應該 OK 嘅，我覺得。
好啦，我哋而家咧喺老街一帶嘅食肆酒吧，準備翻屋企瞓覺。咁我哋咧睇下呢度非常之熱鬧啊，好開心啊啲人。做咩咧？我哋曬緊月光，暫時係未有嘢飲嘅。
我哋而家曬緊月光。
係啦，有嘢飲。
叫做
天地靈氣。咁我哋對住嘅咧，
而家吸收月啊！
對住咧就有個泳池嘅，一陣間邊個飲醉咗就㧬邊個落去。
邊個飲醉？邊個飲醉？邊個飲醉？
咁我哋接近包場嘅。係啦。咁我哋後邊咧就整緊嘢飲拎出嚟啦，準備。
我哋準備影即影即有。
係。
有冇影？
大家都已經準備好嘢飲，飲緊。
以為影相嘅。
係。咁咧，我哋浮誇嘅一晚咧就嚟到。
呢個係 Lantern Night。
今日第二晚，係啊，第二晚。咁咧，我哋最後一晚喺呢間 Hotel Royal 睇下幾 Royal 成件事。咁我哋聽日咧就會上山㗎啦。咁今晚咧隊冧咗自己。
係啦，我哋先下海。
係。
再唔係先踩單車，後下海。
係。
聽日
就上山啦！三項鐵人，我哋呢個唔簡單啊！ 好涼浸。